Windows 11 is a new system with many new features, but it also has some old problems. One is that hard drives or external drives may not show up in File Explorer after updates. In this video, I will show you how to fix it. Way 1. Use disk management to add drive numbers to partitions to retrieve missing disks. Right-click Win icon on the taskbar to open the menu. Select Disk Management from it. Right-click on the partition with the missing drive letter. Select Change Drive Letters and Paths from it. Click the Add button in the pop-up window. Click OK to assign a drive letter F to the Documents partition. Open this PC in File Explorer and you can see that the F drive has been retrieved. Way 2. Use CMD to add drive numbers to partitions to retrieve missing disks. Type CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator to open the CMD application window. Type the command diskpart and press Enter. Then enter the command list volume and press Enter. You can see that the drive number of volume 5 has been removed. Enter the command Select volume 5 and press Enter. Enter the command, assign letter equals F, then press the Enter. Now you can see that the F drive has been retrieved. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up